You all may be seated. Miss Anderson.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, guys. This one's going to hit hard. We've got a young mom juggling full-time work and raising her child alone, facing a father who says he's doing his best while avoiding child support. What happens when excuses meet a courtroom ready to cut through the lies? Stick around, because the twist in this case will shock you.
File this case before the court.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's going on?
I am a full-time mom, and I also work as well full-time as a hairstylist. And I had one child with this man right here, and he is intentionally not trying to work to avoid paying me child support, and he's not helping with our child.
He's not helping doing anything?
Nothing, ma'am.
He's not giving you any money?
No, ma'am.
Is he paying for lunches?
No, ma'am.
Nothing.
I can barely get him to call and talk to his son.
Is there anything else you want me to know before I move to him?
No, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes, Judge.
Is there a reason you're not supporting your child?
Here's where it starts. She claims he's intentionally not working just to dodge child support. That's a bold accusation, basically saying he's gaming the system to avoid responsibility. But watch closely, because the judge is about to demand answers. Question is, do you believe her or him?
What are you doing financially to provide for this child?
Oh, well, I don't have a job.
That wasn't my question. What are you doing financially to help support this child?
Well, I guess nothing.
Your Honor.
You guess nothing. Yes, ma'am.
He did have a job at the post office, but once they took out child support, he quit.
Okay.
Literally right afterwards.
When pressed about finances, he has no real answer. Notice how the judge zeroes in. What are you doing financially? That silence speaks volumes. In child support cases, effort isn't enough. Actual money on the table matters. Viewers, how would you react if your co-parent just shrugged at this question?
What are you doing?
Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm trying to start my rap career, so I really want to... right now, I'm selling CDs at my truck.
Here we go.
I'm going to be honest
this
with you.
again. You're selling CDs.
And Your Honor, he does...
What?
He does make money under the table. That's his goal.
Selling CDs?
Again, I know he's bringing in something, but I don't know how much. But again, I'm telling you, it's intentional. Like he's doing it on purpose so that he can avoid paying child support.
Sir, how much?
And here comes a jaw-drop moment. He admits he quit the post office once child support deductions began. That's not bad luck. That's intentional. Judges call this voluntary unemployment. And it never plays well in court. Be honest. Is this laziness or manipulation?
$500. I packed lunch.
What?
$500?
Mm-hmm.
And you're making $3 per CD. How many CDs are you selling a day, sir?
Probably like 20.
You're selling 20 CDs in a day.
Yeah,
and you're making...
like I get gas. I can get gas. They give me a little food or whatever. That's about it.
So you're making like $60? Sir, you understand that's not enough to support this child, right? If you divide $500, right? That's how much your groceries are, correct? You divide that by 30 days.
He says he's chasing a rap career, selling CDs for $3 a pop. The mom's breaking down $500 monthly grocery bills. He's bragging about $60 days. This is where the reality gap smacks you in the face. Could you raise a child on fast food runs and pocket change?
With your father, and you need to take care of your child.
So you're not spending time, you're not financially supporting them, so you're just leaving everything up to mom, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
She always say it's my child.
Excuse me, sir. It is your child, just like it's her child.
No, I'm saying when she say every time we having an argument or a conversation is, well, it's my child, it's my this. But when it's time to take care of the kid,
So you think that by her saying this is my child, that means she is solely responsible for paying for the child too? Is that what you're telling?
The father tries to twist words. She calls it her child. But the judge isn't buying it. That phrase, it's your child just like it's her child, lands hard. The court won't let semantics excuse financial neglect. Do you think he really believes this argument, or is it just another dodge?
I have 7 other children, and she's...
Seven other children? How are you affording to have 7 children? Are you financially supporting them as well?
Nah, they mamas, they fool with me. So
what does that mean?
like we still cool. We cordial. That's what it is, cordial.
So
Now the real bombshell. He casually admits he has 7 other children. 7. The judge instantly asks, "Are you financially supporting them?" His vague answer, light bills, food, is nowhere near full support. This moment turns the case from selfishness into something much bigger, systemic irresponsibility.
you're not about to play these games. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to pay this woman child support to support your child. The court has the obligation to make sure that we give you credit for any other children that you may have, but you are going to start giving her something to financially support these children. Now, what I can do, because you, based on the paperwork you gave me, you did not work at the post office long enough for me to be able to just see what you're making on a consistent basis. So I will set your child support at minimum wage.
The judge has had enough. She calls him out for wasting her time. This isn't just about child support anymore. It's about respect for the court, respect for the child, respect for responsibility. You can feel the shift. Playtime is officially over.
25 cents.
What am I supposed to do with that?
$7.25. It's better than $3. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but by the time the
$3
taxes
for a
in,
CD. No, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
as I was saying, that brings your gross to about $1,256. Your net, I have it at about $1,121.54. Your child support obligation a month is $203.
Boom. Child support is set at $203 a month based on minimum wage. Notice how the law protects the child, even when a parent claims they don't have a job. Minimum wage becomes a baseline. No excuses. No loopholes. Do you think that's fair, or should the amount be higher?
You split that up in like 6 months? I got to pay that monthly?
You will pay that monthly, and it will come out based on how you were paid. Were you paid twice a week or bi-weekly? How were you paid at your previous job?
You saying the CDs or the post office?
The post
Oh,
office.
yeah, the post
Please do not mention
2
that
2
again,
weeks.
talking about some CDs for $3, and I just broke down. It costs $6 a day to feed your kid.
Yes,
I do
ma'am.
not want to hear anything else about $3.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you're not actively looking for a job, so you need to actively look for a job as well. Giving you credit for the other children that you have, your child support obligation comes out.
He tries to negotiate, asking if he can split the payments over 6 months. The judge shuts it down instantly. Child support isn't a payment plan. It's survival for the child. Imagine being that kid while your dad haggles over pennies. Heartbreaking, right?
Is there anything else I need to know here today?
Yes, ma'am. I also just found out that our child does not have insurance
Okay.
because of him. So I don't know what I need to do now. Do I need to go ahead and get insurance for our child, and do I need to pay for that as well?
Yes, that's something you can go ahead and do on your own. And you, sir, when she gets that health insurance covered, she's going to give you the cards, but you're also going to be responsible for reimbursing her for the amount of coverage for the child only. You understand?
So you're saying that
I'm saying what I
can get-
just said. Did you understand what I just said?
Well, man, I'm trying to
Did
ask
you understand what I...
Another twist. The child has no health insurance. The judge orders mom to enroll, but makes dad reimburse her for the child's share. That's key. Courts ensure both parents share responsibility, not just one. What do you think? Should uninsured kids trigger harsher penalties for parents who stall?
Sir, understood? Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's it. The gavel comes down. With $145 monthly support after credits for other kids, plus health coverage reimbursement. From excuses to obligations, this father was cornered by the law. If this case stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.